Hi guys, Martin Karner is here from amazing Bundhaya villas in Koh Lipe, Thailand. As you can see in my videos, this is by far the most beautiful island we ever been to in Thailand, and we've been already almost to every island in Thailand. So we got this amazing honeymoon villa and it was amazing. If by any chance you get bored here, you can still do some activities like snorkeling, kayaking, and the underwater here it's very beautiful, so many fishes, so you can still do many things here. If you are bored or you don't like the water, you can go to spa for some amazing massage, one of the best ones we ever had. They have very nice stuff here, amazing services. So if you are honeymooners or if you are just looking for the paradise on earth in Thailand, this is the place you want to book. You will find a link in the description, and see you in the next video.